Join me as I take on the challenge of revolutionizing the way you meal prep grilled chicken. You'll never go back to your old methods. I'm excited to share with you a game-changing technique that's going to take your meal prep to the next level. When it comes to meal prepping grilled chicken, we've all been there, stuck in a rut, making the same old bland chicken breasts week in and week out. But what if I told you there was a way to make grilled chicken that's not only delicious but also easy to make and packed with nutrients? Unfortunately, many of us struggle with dry, flavorless chicken breasts that are a chore to eat. And let's be real, who hasn't experienced the disappointment of biting into a chicken breast that's been sitting in the fridge for 3 days, only to find it's as dry as the Sahara Desert? One of the main reasons we struggle with meal prepping grilled chicken is because we're often misled by recipes that promise juicy, flavorful results but fail to deliver. We've all fallen victim to those Pinterest recipes that look amazing but end up tasting like cardboard. And then there's the issue of time-consuming preparation. Who has an hour to spend marinating and grilling chicken breasts every week? But what if I told you there was a way to make grilled chicken that's not only quick and easy but also packed with flavor and nutrients? That's exactly what I'm going to show you today. This technique is a total game changer, and once you try it, you'll never go back to your old methods again. So, let's get started. To make this incredible grilled chicken, you'll need just a few simple ingredients: chicken breasts, olive oil, salt, pepper, and a secret ingredient that I'll reveal in just a minute. First, preheat your grill to medium-high heat. While that's heating up, let's prep our chicken breasts. You'll want to place them in a large bowl or Ziploc bag, and then drizzle in some olive oil to coat them evenly. Sprinkle on some salt and pepper to taste, making sure to get both sides of the chicken breasts. Next, add in our secret ingredient, a marinade that's going to take your grilled chicken to the next level. This marinade is ridiculously simple to make and consists of just 3 ingredients: Greek yogurt, lemon juice, and garlic powder. Yes, you read that right, Greek yogurt. It's the magic ingredient that's going to keep our chicken breasts juicy and tender, even after they've been refrigerated for days. Now that our chicken breasts are prepped and marinated, it's time to throw them on the grill. I like to use a medium-high heat to get a nice sear on the outside while keeping the inside juicy and tender. You can cook them for about 5 to 7 minutes per side, or until they reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. So, what makes this grilled chicken so special? For starters, the Greek yogurt marinade is a total game changer. It not only adds flavor but also helps to tenderize the chicken breasts, making them ridiculously juicy even after refrigeration. And because we're using a high-heat grill, we get a nice crispy crust on the outside that's packed with flavor. But the real magic happens when you combine these 2 elements. The result is a grilled chicken breast that's not only delicious but also incredibly easy to make. In today's video, we've covered a total game-changing technique for meal prepping grilled chicken. No more dry, flavorless chicken breasts. With this method, you'll be enjoying juicy, tender chicken that's packed with flavor and nutrients. Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more meal prep tips and tricks.